Hello, welcome back to Bournemouth RC. So the Krajave is now fully built, about to give it its first test run. So let's just quickly, before we do, run through it front to back and see what we've done. So obviously with the tyres, got the original standard 6S tyres. I have strapped them and vented them, so they're nice and strong to take the extra power. On the front we've got the RPM bumper. We've got the custom RC lower hinge pin holders and the upper one for the front. We've got the M2C tower with the M2C standoffs. They're on the lower setting just to raise up a little bit. The diff has been shimmed in all three places. You can check out those videos on my channel. So as we go through them, we've got the M2C Chassis Brace. Obviously the M2C chassis runs all the way along. We've got a 35 kilogram JX servo. We've got the 160 Firma ESC out of the 8S. We've got the 8S motor. I have put a little bit of mesh on top of the fans there just to keep any little stones and stuff out. So as we go towards the back, we've got the M2C Rear Brace. We've also got the M2C Tower Brace, the M2C Tower, the M2C Standoffs. Again, running them on the lowest one. So at the back, we also have the G3 rear skid plate, the extended one, to give it extra strength, but also that has a little cutout on the side there for the POS rear bumper, so you can run the bumper at the same time as the skid plate. So that's the car, all ready to rock and roll. We'll switch it on in a sec and give it a bit of a blast. I did say I'd show you the bodies. Now I do have a couple of options for the bodies here. The first option is tidy up and clean this because it does need a real good clean. Now that isn't far off the original length, so I could make some little post extenders to bring that out to there. However, I'm going to try the other body first. Now this body is a bit too big for this, but with a little bit of trimming I reckon I could make that fit. And I quite like the look of that, but obviously I would have to get rid of the wheel arches and stuff like that. So I'm going to give that one a bit of a go first. It's only a cheap old body and I will reinforce it if it turns out well and I like it. But I quite like the gold set on there. So I'll have a look at how that comes out when I cut it down. So that's the one I'm going to try for first and see how it goes. If not, I'll either go something else or extend the post for the old original body. Okay, so let's give it a bit of a blast. Obviously just giving it a test run without the body first. So we'll see what it's like blasting it around the garden. I've got the punch right down on the lower setting just to start with. I do need to dial in my steer in a second. That's that up. So I've got the punch down, I've got the timing on the motor down. Just first of all, run it in, check everything's working right before I start then blowing anything up. At the moment it's running on the 6-volt back because the receiver I got in there doesn't do the 8.4 volts. Still waiting for that to come in the post to be able to run the 8.4 volts. Okay, so out on a quick little dog walk. There's Teddy, little spaniel. So he likes a little dog walk. So we brought the car out because he likes to chase it as well. It's the perfect time to test it. So this is on 6S. Okay, just going to check the temperature. Yeah, so nothing's really heating up at all, so I'm quite happy with that. Obviously it's only a small little bash around the garden. I just wanted to check that I wasn't going real hot real quickly.